In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can dropship from AliExpress to Etsy. Now this is very quick and easy, guys. All you have to do is watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now I have tried multiple times. I have tried dropshipping on Etsy and my account got banned because I was using AliExpress, as you can see. Now a lot of YouTubers on YouTube say that you have to use AliExpress to dropship on Etsy. But that's not true because AliExpress doesn't sell handmade products. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find handmade products from AliExpress so that Etsy won't recognize you and you won't ban your account. If you just take products from AliExpress and you post them to your Etsy account, 100% you are going to get banned. I got banned multiple times. Until I started doing this, I stopped getting banned on Etsy. Now, let me show you guys how you can do this. Now, the first thing you need to know, guys, Etsy, as you can see, Etsy, as you can see, shop for handmade. So, like this sell only handmade products. So, what you need to do, guys, you need to do the same thing. You need to search for what these people are selling on Etsy. Okay. I'm talking about the sellers on Etsy. So for example, they are selling these jewelries. For example, this one. Okay. Now, as you can see here, this is custom. Like you can just contact them. You can tell them your name, and they are going to add the name on your necklace. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Now, what you need to do, guys, you need to do the same. You need to search. You need to go to AliExpress and search for custom. Okay. Custom name necklace. Now you need to search for this and then search for sellers who can customize, like who can add a name to the necklace. I hope I pronounced this correctly. This name is really hard for me to pronounce. I don't know why. I'm going to necklace. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Necklace. Like you search for custom name necklace and search for sellers who are going to, like, whenever someone purchases something from your Etsy account, you can just tell the seller, hi, the name of the person that's going to receive this necklace is blah blah blah, like Muhammad or like Olivia or anything like that. So search for sellers who are going to do that. So for example, it says here custom necklace, as you can see. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to open a seller account on Etsy and start selling. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to open a new account on Etsy and I'm going to show you guys how you can dropship on Etsy so that you won't get banned, because a lot of people get banned using AliExpress. Like I said, guys, you have to list only handmade products. Now, as you can see here, guys, I'm going to open AliExpress and I'm going to search for custom name, as you can see, custom name necklace. Now, what you need to do, guys, you need to post, you need to list the same item. For example, I'm going to select this one. It looks like it's handmade. Make sure after you download the pictures, make sure you edit them, because if you just download them from AliExpress and you list the item with the pictures from AliExpress, they are going to recognize that and they are going to ban your account. So every time you download pictures from AliExpress, make sure to edit them. Add something to the picture. It could be anything. For example, your Etsy shop name. Add it here in the top left of the picture. That's all you need to do, guys. Now after that, you are going to download this extension. It's called, just search for download pictures from AliExpress. It's an extension. You can just download it. It's called Ali Media. Okay, AliExpress. This is how the extension looks. Just add it to your Chrome, and after that, what you need to do, guys, next you need to download these pictures. As you can see, after you add the extension, you will see here these 4 different options that say here download main images. Now as you can see here, guys, they are downloading. Now next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on you want to just open a shop on your Etsy. Now click sale, and then click and then it's going to take you to this page, and you just have to enter here your country, the shop currency. I prefer to use dollars. So after that, you click save and continue, and to next page you have to name your shop. Here you have to name your shop. For example, I'm going to name it shop. After that, you want to click save and continue, and after that you want to add the pictures from AliExpress. We have downloaded the pictures. Just add upload them here. As you can see, like I said, guys, you have to edit these pictures, add something to them. Like you have to add something to these pictures. Now after that, guys, this is very simple. All you have to do, you can add a thumbnail that people are going to see the first time they are going to open your product. Like add a very attractive thumbnail, adjust it, like make it look better, then click save. After that, if you can add a video of the product, if you can search for it and find it, just find it and add it here. It's recommended to add a video. Now next thing you need to do, guys, you want to add the title of the product. Now you are going to copy the title of someone on Etsy, not AliExpress, so that AliExpress won't recognize that you are dropshipping from AliExpress. Now add the title from, like I said, from someone on Etsy that has the same idea, the same product, necklace, for example, this one. Change something. Of course, you are not going to copy the same title. Just change something in the title, and it says here who made it, and see, like, add here another company or a person, a finished product. Just add like things like the you know, the information about the product. And here the description, you can just copy it from AliExpress, but you have to change something in the description. As you can see under the product, you will see here the description, and just paste the description here. Make sure you make it unique, and after that you just have to enter here the colors, the price of the item here, as you can see, and then click save and continue here. As you can see, also the shipping, you have to add where you are going to send the shipping, like what countries you accept. So like the country of origin, I just chose China because most products from AliExpress are from China. I'm going to select China here. Now next thing you need to do, guys, you need to add the shipping time. So for example, custom range, and just range from 1 to 10 days. And after that, where it says standard shipping, from China, 7 to 15 days. Price, like how much you are going to charge for the product. Now next thing you need to do, you want to select here the shipping service. For example, China Post International, free shipping, shipping services, use like China Post International. Now after that, guys, you just want to fill all this information and click save and continue, and then you have to add your payment, credit card, stuff like that, so that you get paid. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.